Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mint Linux. First, let's prepare for a smooth installation. You'll need to download the official Linux Mint ISO file, which is typically around 2 GB in size. Next, create a bootable USB drive using a reliable tool like Baelna Etcher. This will be your installation media. Finally, and most importantly, back up all your critical data to an external drive or cloud service. This ensures your files are safe. Now, let's dive into the installation itself. Start by booting your computer from the USB drive you just prepared. You might need to adjust your BIOS or UEFI settings to do this. Once the live environment loads, double-click the Install Linux Mint icon. The installer will guide you through selecting your language, keyboard layout, and time zone. For most users, choosing Erase Disk and Install Linux Mint is the simplest option, but be cautious. After the installation completes, restart your computer and remember to remove the USB drive. Your new Linux Mint system will boot up. The very first thing to do is open the Update Manager and install all available system updates. This is crucial for security and stability. Next, check for and install any proprietary drivers your hardware might need, especially for graphics cards. Finally, install your favorite web browser and other essential applications. With your system updated and essential software installed, it's time to make Linux Mint truly yours. Explore the desktop settings to personalize your themes, icons, and widgets to match your style. The Software Manager offers tens of thousands of free applications, from productivity suites to games. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn basic terminal commands for more control. Join the vibrant Linux Mint community for support and to discover new tips and tricks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.